Hi guys, today is a very special day. We're at Jojo's garage. That's Jojo. Hi Jojo. We're at Jojo's garage again. Yeah, we have our BMW on the stand, and we're gonna do some cool things. Ready? Watch this. We just got a huge consignment full of carbon fiber parts for the BMW S1000. It was almost like Christmas.
Definitely like Christmas.
Yeah, we were like just sitting, opening it. We didn't even realize we had a list, itemized list of all the parts, but we didn't realize it was hard to guess what part goes where. So we have to like one by one take them out, try and fit them like on the bike and figure out where each of those goes. So we took a good stock, and then we've got like these two pieces which we still don't know where these go. It says these are supposed to be swing arm covers, but we'll figure it out. But we're gonna start putting all of these one by one on the bike, and in our next video this bike is gonna be transformed. Right now it's got full OEM parts. It's the M package, so it's got some M bits on it, but carbon fiber. Oh yeah, it's got carbon fiber wheels. That's right, and those are super light and amazing to ride with. But all these like black plasticky parts that you see here are gonna be gone, and they're gonna be replaced by carbon fiber. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you know how the bike rides once we have all the parts on. But yeah, this is going to be exciting. Happy to share with y'all.